What if I tell you that right now, at this very moment, there is a silent war happening inside you, and most probably you are not even aware of it? This war is not loud. It has no weapons, no blood, no visible damage, yet it slowly destroys people from the inside. This war is not with society, not with family, not with money, not even with situations. This war is between you and your own mind. Every single day, from the moment you wake up till the moment you try to sleep, your mind is either supporting you or slowly breaking you down. And the most dangerous part is that it does this so quietly that you start believing this pain is normal. Most people live their entire lives fighting this war without knowing that a war is even happening. They think feeling restless is normal. They think overthinking is normal. They think anxiety is normal. They think feeling tired without doing much work is normal. But it is not normal. It is a sign that the mind is out of control. Slowly, this silent war steals your peace, your focus, your confidence, and even your sense of self. One day you wake up and feel disconnected from yourself, and you don't even know when this happened. Life itself is not cruel. Life is neutral. It is the mind that adds fear, pressure, expectations, regret, and suffering to life. Two people can face the same situation, but one remains calm while the other completely breaks down. The difference is not strength or luck. The difference is the relationship they have with their mind. Welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this video right now, it is not a coincidence. Somewhere inside you, there is a part of you that is tired of feeling restless. A part of you that is tired of constant thinking. A part of you that wants silence, clarity, and peace. You may not be able to explain it clearly, but you feel that something inside you needs attention. This video is not entertainment. It is not background noise. It is a conversation with yourself. And if you allow yourself to truly listen, this video can become a turning point in your life. We are not here to fight the mind aggressively. We are here to understand it deeply. Because the moment you understand your mind, it naturally loses its power over you. Most people spend their entire life trying to change the outside world, people, situations, circumstances, but they never look inside. They never learn how their mind works. And because of that, even when life improves outside, they still feel unhappy inside. This video is about changing that from the root. Why the mind is so powerful. The human mind is one of the most powerful creations in existence. It can imagine things that do not exist, remember things that happened years ago, and create stories about the future that feel completely real. This power is beautiful when used correctly, but extremely dangerous when left unchecked. The mind does not know the difference between imagination and reality. It reacts to thoughts as if they are facts. The mind's original job was to protect you from danger. Thousands of years ago, this was useful, but today, the mind treats small problems like life-threatening dangers. A small mistake feels like failure. A little uncertainty feels like disaster. A single negative comment feels like rejection. The mind reacts with fear even when there is no real threat. Because of this, the mind stays in survival mode all the time. And when you live in survival mode for too long, peace disappears, joy disappears, presence disappears. You are alive, but you are not truly living. This is why understanding the mind is not optional. It is necessary for a peaceful life. The constant noise you call normal. Most people have never experienced a silent mind, so they think constant noise inside the head is normal. From morning to night, thoughts keep coming. Thoughts about work, thoughts about people, thoughts about the past, thoughts about the future, thoughts even when you are trying to rest. This inner noise slowly becomes your background music, and you stop noticing how exhausting it really is. You wake up in the morning, and before your body is even ready, your mind starts talking. It reminds you of tasks, responsibilities, worries, and fears. Even while brushing your teeth, eating food, or scrolling on your phone, the mind is planning, judging, and worrying. By the time the day ends, you feel tired, but not because of physical work. You feel tired because your mind never allowed you to rest. This is mental fatigue, and mental fatigue is far more dangerous than physical tiredness. Physical tiredness goes away with sleep, Mental tiredness stays because the mind does not know how to stop. This constant inner noise slowly disconnects you from the present moment, from joy, and from yourself. How the mind traps you in the past. One of the most painful tricks of the mind is dragging you into the past again and again. It brings back old memories, especially painful ones. Moments where you failed, moments where you felt embarrassed, moments where you lost something or someone. Even though these moments are already over, the mind replays them as if they are happening now. Your body does not understand time the way your mind does. So when a memory comes, your body reacts with the same emotions again, the same pain, the same sadness, the same regret. This is why people suffer for years, for something that happened only once. The event ended, but the mind keeps it alive. Living in the past creates guilt, regret, and self-hatred. You start defining yourself by what happened before, instead of who you are now. This is how the mind quietly destroys your present by constantly pulling you backward. How the future becomes a mental prison. If the mind is not living in the past, then it is worrying about the future. The future is the biggest playground of fear for the mind. It creates imaginary situations and then makes you suffer as if those situations are real. The mind asks questions again and again. What if I fail? What if I make the wrong decision? What if people judge me? What if everything goes wrong? These questions have no answers, but they still steal your peace. The future does not exist yet, but the mind brings it into the present and turns it into anxiety. Your body reacts to these future fears with tension, fast heartbeat, shallow breathing, and restlessness. Nothing bad is happening right now, but your mind convinces you that danger is coming. This is how people suffer in advance for things that may never happen. Living in the future disconnects you from life. You stop enjoying small moments. You stop feeling gratitude. You are always waiting for something to end or something to begin. And because of that, life feels like a burden instead of a gift. This mental prison keeps you worried even when everything is okay. The biggest confusion. Thoughts versus truth. One of the most important things you must understand is that thoughts are not the truth. Thoughts are just mental activity. They are influenced by your past, your fears, your environment, your conditioning, and even your tiredness. But most people never question their thoughts. They believe them blindly. If your mind says, I am not good enough, you believe it. If your mind says, I will fail, you believe it. If your mind says, people don't like me, you believe it. Slowly, these thoughts become your identity. But the truth is, thoughts are not facts. They are stories created by the mind. The moment you start questioning your thoughts, their power reduces. Ask yourself gently, is this thought 100% true? Do I have proof? Or is my mind repeating an old pattern? This simple questioning can save you from years of unnecessary suffering. Overthinking. The addiction that drains you. Overthinking is not a habit. It is an addiction. The mind becomes addicted to thinking because thinking gives a false sense of control. You feel like if you think enough, you can prevent pain. But the opposite happens. Overthinking creates more confusion, more fear, and more exhaustion. When you overthink, you replay the same situation again and again. You imagine different outcomes. You judge yourself. You judge others. You imagine conversations that never happened. All this happens inside your head, while life outside waits. Overthinking steals your energy. It makes simple decisions feel heavy. It keeps you stuck in your head and away from action. The mind feels busy, but nothing actually changes. This is why overthinking feels tiring, but never productive. How the mind destroys self-confidence. Constant negative thinking slowly destroys your confidence. When your mind keeps telling you that you are not enough, that you are behind, that others are better than you, you start believing it. You stop trusting yourself. You doubt your choices. You seek validation from others. This is how people lose their inner strength. Not because they are weak, but because their mind keeps attacking them from inside. When you don't control this inner voice, it becomes your biggest enemy. You start living according to fear instead of truth. Losing your real self. After years of listening to the mind, many people forget who they really are. They become their thoughts. They become their fears. They become their worries. They no longer know how they feel without thinking. Silence feels uncomfortable. Being alone feels scary. This is the biggest loss, losing connection with yourself. When you don't know who you are beyond your thoughts, life feels empty. Even achievements don't bring satisfaction. Even success feels hollow, because you are disconnected from your inner self. Awareness, the real beginning of change. Awareness is the moment you wake up from mental sleep. Awareness means seeing what is happening inside you without reacting to it. When a thought comes, instead of following it, you notice it. When an emotion arises, instead of fighting it, you observe it. This observation creates distance. And in that distance, freedom is born. You stop being controlled by the mind. You start seeing it clearly. Awareness is not force. It is clarity. And clarity dissolves confusion naturally. You are not your thoughts. This realization can change your entire life. You are not the thoughts in your head. You are the one who is aware of those thoughts. Thoughts come and go, but you remain. Thoughts change every minute, but your awareness stays. Once you understand this, you stop taking thoughts personally. You stop fighting them. You stop judging yourself so harshly. You become lighter. Calmness enters naturally. This is not theory. This is direct experience when you practice awareness. Daily practices to train the mind. The mind cannot be controlled suddenly. It needs gentle training. Start by giving it small moments of silence every day. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Focus on your breath. Watch your thoughts without reacting. At first, the mind will resist. It will create more noise. This is normal. Slowly, with consistency, the mind learns to slow down. Silence becomes comfortable. Awareness becomes natural. This daily practice changes your inner world deeply. The body-mind connection. The body and mind are not separate. A restless body creates a restless mind. Poor sleep, unhealthy food, and lack of movement increase mental chaos. Slow breathing calms the nervous system. Gentle movement releases stored stress. Taking care of your body is not selfish. It is necessary. When the body feels safe, the mind relaxes. Peace begins from the body. What you feed your mind matters. Your mind absorbs everything you consume. Social media, news, conversations, music, words. Constant negativity becomes your inner voice. Comparison becomes self-hatred. Noise becomes anxiety. Choose wisely what you allow into your mind. Silence is powerful. Nature is healing. Meaningful conversations nourish the soul. What you consume daily becomes who you are. The power of the present moment. The present moment has no fear, no regret, no anxiety. When you bring your attention back to now, the mind loses power. Life becomes simple. Breath becomes deep. You feel alive again. The past cannot be changed. The future is unknown. But the present moment is always available. This is where peace lives. Final truth. Take your power back. The mind can be your greatest tool or your biggest destroyer. The difference is awareness. When you understand your mind, you stop being afraid of it. You stop running from your thoughts. You stop fighting yourself. You begin to see life more clearly, feel more deeply, and live more peacefully. Control your mind before it destroys you, because the moment you take back control, you don't just survive, you start living. And if this message helped you even a little, if it made you pause and reflect, then please take a moment to like this video. It helps this message reach more people who may need it right now. You can also share this video with someone who is struggling silently, someone who needs calm and clarity in their life. And if you want to continue this journey of awareness, peace, and self-understanding with us, then subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Thank you for being here, and thank you for choosing to take care of your mind.